Myself, Dr. Sachin Nawale, Department of Zoology, Walchand College of Arts and Science, Solapur. Classification of mammals. Mammals are the hair-bearing animal, air-breathing and warm-blooded animals. They are oviparous or viviparous in nature. Skin has a sweat and sebaceous glands. And most of the mammals, almost all mammals have the mammary gland for nourishment of the youngs. Limbs are two-paired with digitigrade and unguligrade type. External ears are present. Heart of the mammals are four-chambered. The kidney is metanophorous and sexes are separate. In mammals, fertilization is internal. Classification of mammals, there are two subclasses, Prototheria and Theria. Prototheria that has only one order, Monotremata. Platypus belongs to the Monotremata order. Theria class that divides into two infraclasses, Metatheria and Eutheria. Metatheria has one order, that is Marsupialia. Marsupialia having the best example is a kangaroo. Eutheria is classified into 16 different orders: Insectivora, Dermaptera, Chiroptera, Primates, Edentata, Polydota, Legomorpha, Rodentia, Cetacea, Carnivora, Tubulidenta, Proboscidea, Hyracoidea, Sarantia, Perissodactyla and Artiodactyla. Subclass Prototheria having a general characters, there is no pinna on the ear, teeth are present only in young but adults have no teeth. The cervical ribs are absent, mammary glands are without nipples, testes are abdominal, females are oviparous and found in Australia. Best example is a platypus. Subclass Theria, it includes modern viviparous marsupials and placental mammals. Ear with external pinna, mammary glands with a small teeth. Teeth are present. Testes have a scrotal sac. Oviduct open into vagina. Infraclass Metatheria having characters as they are the brood pouch present in the females, mammary gland bearing nipples and a sebaceous gland. Epipubic bones are present. Placenta is rudimentary, yolk sac type. And the order of Metatheria is Marsupialia, which is having the best example as a kangaroo, the Macropus. Infraclass Eutheria is the largest infraclass that including mammals, which is having a general characters as the higher viviparous that all belongs to the Eutheria as a placental mammals. Epipubic bones are absent, cloaca is present, testes are usually in a scrotal sac. Young is nourished with in a uterus with a alentine type of placenta. Insectivora, the first order that for Eutheria, small and furry animals, snout, longs and tapering, at moral sharps and pointed type of molars are present. Placenta are discoidal, nocturnal and they are terrestrial in habitat. The best example is shrews, which belongs to the Insectivora. The second order of Eutheria is the Dermaptera, commonly known as the flying lemurs. They are having furry skin between fore and hind limbs, forming the pentagium type of layer. Incisors of the teeth, they are of 2 to 3 in dental formula. Nocturnal in habit, and cynocephalus is the best example of Dermaptera. Third order is a Chiroptera. They are true flying mammals, forelimbs and modified as membranous wings. Hind limbs are weak, eyes are small and weak visions, ear with a large pinna as compared to the other orders. Teeth are small and sharp. Mostly these are the nocturnals, and the bats are the example of Chiroptera. Fourth order is the primates, primitive mammals with a developed brain. Cerebrum is large and convoluted. 5 digits of hands and feet with flat nails. Eyes are directed in forward direction and plantigrade mode of walking. Placenta is a discoidal type in case of primates, and the human beings or the man are the best example of primates. Then logomorpha, the two pair of incisors on upper jaw, tibia is fused with fibula, soles of feet are hairy, toes bear claws, and testes are always externally in a scrotum. Rabbit is the example of a lagomorpha. Rodentia are the small growing mammals, incisors single pair, canines are absent. Diastema present between incisors and molars. The squirrel, the typical example of Rodentia. Cetacea are the mammals of a large aquatic group of mammals. Fish-like body, head long without a neck, forelimbs modified as paddles, hind limbs are absent, tail is long and fleshy fluke end, placenta is a diffuse type, whales are the good representatives of Cetacea group or Cetacea order of mammal. Carnivora is an order of mammal which are quadrupedal, terrestrial and predatory in habitat or in nature. The teeth sharp with a cutting edge, canines are large and flat, having a fang type of canines. Molars are cutting type, strong digits with a sharp claws. A lion, tiger are the best examples of carnivora group of mammals. And Tubulidentata are the group of order mammal which is body stout, pig-like appearance, skin thick with hairs, snout long, tubular and nostrils are present at the tip. Tongue slender and protrusible to eat the long or their predatory or their prey. Ear long and pointed, 5 digits with hairy claws, and this Orycteropus is an example of Tubulidentata. Proboscidea, the largest terrestrial mammals on earth, with skin thick and covered with hairs, long proboscis and trunk, legs are huge pillar-like with 5 digits, hooves on both forelimb and hind limbs are present. Elephant is an example of Proboscidea. Hyracoidae are the mammals with a split snout, ear short and tail is reduced, legs short and 4 digits in a forelimb and 3 digits on hind limb. Testes are abdominal. Hyrax are the typical representative of Hyracoidea order. Then Sirenia is the 14th order which having a large herbivorous aquatic mammals, body spindle shaped, paddle-like forelimb, hind limbs are absent, tail flattened, few hair over the body, and dugong are the best example of this particular order, Sirenia. And Perissodactyla are the large odd-toed hoofed mammals. Middle digit limbs are preeminent and carried weight. Teeth are laphodont, incisors present, and horse is a typical representative of Perissodactyla. Artiodactyla, terrestrial and semi-aquatic mammals. These are hoofed mammals. Limb bears 2 digits and rarely 4 digits are also there. Teeth are selenodont, incisors and canines are absent. Stomach is 4-chambered, buffalo, cow, and these are the best example of Artiodactyla. This is the reference Cadet of Zoology book by Jordan and Verma, which I referred for the literature. Thank you.